All right, here's a little different video. Hopefully this is my last, well, I can't say my last. Hopefully this is one of the last videos that I do on my phone. As I mentioned before, all of them are basically live and I don't edit them. I just start recording and upload it because whatever. So, came in the mail today and I'm going to do the bougie unboxing video. But I got myself a new digital camera, 4K, whatever. So I'll put the link in the description if you're interested in checking it out. All the reviews on Amazon were nothing bad about it, so it's kind of tiny. Do a quick unboxing video and go from there. And I guess before I did some research on some SD cards. They have 1 terabyte SD cards out now. It's pretty impressive. I opted not to because those were like $230 or something. I went with a 512 gigabyte, which is huge. My phone is only 250, and I have like 8,000 pictures on it and tons of movies, and I just didn't even use half the space. So this will probably work out well for me to start. Probably get another 512 gigabyte. I've always had luck with the Samsungs. Format well, they record well, there's no issues. It also even comes with an adapter for the computer. So hopefully I can start taking more videos, more in depth, going through just how I do stuff and the whole process, and upload them and edit them and have better quality than my sweet iPhone. So get into it. I think the name is Ash something or other. It's I don't know, made in Japan. It's got 4K, 48 megapixels, 3.5 inch or 3-inch touch, 16 times zoom. It's got the Wi-Fi connection and infrared night shot. So night video should work out. It can connect to anything wirelessly. I think I can link it to my phone and play it, but yeah, I'll just open it up. I mean, it's a nice box. Looks like that's the handle. So I just went online, Googled YouTube cameras, and this one popped up, and like I said, had tons of good reviews. So packaging is really nice, really well. Looks like it's a HDMI cord. Looks like 2 batteries. Nice little remote control. It's got picture, camera, play, probably a light. Yeah. Okay. Oh, here's a microphone. The wind thing on it. A couple other cables. That looks like a charging kind of cable. Standard micro USB. Macro, whatever. Looks like some kind of a jack. Oh, there's a cube for charging. Looks like that's the screen part that goes in the front. Nice little carrying case for it. Got the instructions right there. User's manual. So there it is. Nice little lightweight. Looks like you put a tripod on it. Batteries pop in the back. Saw some things for oh, the screen flips out, so that's nice. So it's basically like a camcorder from the early 90s. You know, it's not too terrible. Power on, power off, charging. It's got zoom features on the top, photo mode. Yeah, so not bad. I guess I'll, like I said, all the reviews I've seen on it are pretty decent. It was what they think the SD card, $150 or something. So it's not bad to get going, get some better camera quality, be able to actually edit the videos. So I will get that up and going, get it charged up, and you'll start seeing videos on that, and not so much these live videos where I keep flipping back and forth. It'll be more editing and cutting and spending some time, maybe put some graphics on it. But that's all I got. See you later.